welcome to today's tip. I've got a fabulous idea here using these paint cards that you get from your hardware store. They're really lovely because they'll have this gradient of tone of the same colour. So here I've got some pinks. In fact, my daughter picked this up and I saw it at home and thought, oh wow, that would be so cool just to add some sort of punches to and create some fabulous coloured gradient embellishments for my page. Now I'm just sticking it through my punch here. I'm just turning it over because these strips are quite thin, making sure it covers exactly where my punch is needing to go, and I'm just going to give it a good, I'm actually standing up with this punch because it's quite powerful. Now these just look so pretty. You can either layer them up and make a nice thick, because the card that I've got for this particular one is really, really thick, and I could layer them up, just put them off center and then flap, kind of curl up the wings of the butterfly. That would look really pretty. Or I could decorate my page with the butterfly in different areas. Now the other thing that I'm left with is the negative. Now I've kind of cut on the area where there's a little word, but on this one I didn't. And these would look really lovely as well on my page. So I could just maybe chop that off or leave it like that. Or this would look like for a really cool card. I could just alternate them and put them in the alternate spots. Doesn't that look really amazing too? And there's a way that we could add that to our scrapbook pages. So a few ideas there with some free, hopefully most of the time they're free, swabs that you get from your hardware store. I'm just going to quickly show you maybe just how it might look on a page, just to add some detail to a page. This one is one that I'm working on. I'm still waiting to get some proper photographs, but I just need to print them out on my new printer there. But just how lovely they are, just displayed on a page. And the nice thing is that you're not having to worry about coordinating colour with these three. They come as a batch really, and because of that they've got the same tones, but they look really, really pretty on a layout. I'm not sure how they would look, but we could just maybe play around with some ideas with those as well. So there's a little idea for you. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you next time.